Synapse School is a community of learners that came together to co-create a space that was reimagining education for all children. The founding idea was really rooted in social and emotional learning, emotional intelligence. The founders wanted to start a school with that as the foundation.
So we have 3 pillars to our mission. We have academics, we have social emotional learning, and we have the practice of innovation.
Most of our families are coming here for social emotional learning. To be the problem solvers, to be the change makers of tomorrow, our parents are expecting that their kids are going to have an understanding of who they are as learners in order to better help others move forward and make positive change.
We design curriculum around a theme and a change maker. This year, our theme is Noble Goals, and the idea is that a change maker really needs to be able to understand what their purpose is in order to put it into action.
I've never really been to school where they're so focused on making the world being a better place.
I think that for the kids, it's created a very rich learning environment where they feel supported and loved and cared for.
The social emotional learning is very key. I feel that they are giving them the tools.
Finding families to match your mission and your vision is essential. The parent learning experience at Synapse is robust. They're working with our director on their own sort of journey around sort of emotional intelligence.
Parents really appreciate that as a great value add to the school experience. It is our way of ensuring that everybody speaks the same language and that we're all supporting each other.
Yeah, there really is a very strong partnership between the teaching staff and the administrative staff and the parents at kind of every level.
Synapse, in many ways, comes out of Silicon Valley like a lot of startups. We are constantly iterating on who we are. We started off as a very small school and rapidly began to grow.
The opportunities are endless. I mean, I've been here for 9 years and there's never a day that's the same. I've never gone home and said I've had a boring day. The kids here are so happy, and that's why we're here.
The physical space here is unique. When I first arrived here, I even thought to myself, what is this? This is an office park. And we quickly changed it into a school by not doing a whole lot to it, being pretty lean and intentional about the space. You have to sort of have an imagination around what space could be and actually sort of adopt the mindset of a child.
You can open your minds to creativity.
It's really a place where kids are encouraged to explore, to be themselves, to follow what they are passionate about. We have a lot of creative freedom as educators, and that's probably what I find most exciting about teaching here.
The teachers are the foundation. They're so creative with what they come up with and so thoughtful about it, and they love it.
I'm very fortunate to work with a dynamic and really supportive Board of Trustees. They have been incredible in embracing our rate of change. Now our board is looking ahead. What do we need to do to make sure that Synapse sticks around for decades? I think the most essential ingredient is to have courage. Independent schools have an incredible responsibility and the resources to be sort of test centers for what is important in education, and we hope to be able to share what we know works here in order to create conversations around education and move the needle for everyone.